In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the engine air filter on this Cadillac Escalade. Let's get started. Our vehicle has this large plastic cover here that we have to remove just because there's a screw for the air filter box right below this corner of it. So with a trim tool, I'm going to remove some push clips and then push this away. With all the push clips off, pull this aside. With that aside, we can remove this support bar right here that will prevent us from popping the top of the air filter housing off. Two 10mm bolts. And now 4 8mm screws or Phillips head screws hold the top of the air box in place. Remove all 4. Now you can lift up on the top of the air box, and right underneath is the air filter that you can now remove. If there's a lot of debris down here, you want to clean that up with a vacuum cleaner. Install the new air filter, make sure it's completely seated in place, and reinstall the top of the air box. Start in all 4 screws. Because these are going into plastic, not only do you want to make sure you don't over tighten them, but I also highly recommend starting them by hand so you can make sure they don't cross thread, because if they do, although they will go into the plastic, they are now cutting new threads, and that's going to weaken the bottom half of this. With the top fully seated and the bolts started, tighten them up. Reinstall this support bracket. Snug it up. If you're doing this by hand, about 1/8 of a turn at most after these bottom out is plenty tight. Set this cover back in place and reinstall all the push clips that held it on. And there you have it, job is done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.